My dear students, here is your grammar teacher, and our first chapter was finished, and the first chapter name was sentence. Now we are going to read today lesson 2 nouns. Now first of all we will discuss about the definition of the noun. A noun is name of person, place or things. As there are 5 kinds of noun. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, material noun. And fifth, abstract noun. Now we are going to discuss one by one proper noun. What is proper noun? A noun is name of particular person. Particular means special. So a noun is name of a particular person, place or things, as Ganga, Britain, Pune, Karina, etc. Now our next is common noun. A noun that gives a common name to person, places or things. So that is called common noun, as school, leg, girl, train, etc. These are what? These are our common noun. Now here is note. School is a common noun, but when we give a name to the school, as St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, what it becomes? It becomes a particular noun or a special noun. Now next, collective noun. A noun is the name of a collection of people. A noun is the name of a collection of people or things. As an album of photographs. So photographs is what? Photographs is collective noun. A litter of puppies or kittens. So kitten is what? Kitten is collective noun. Crowd is what? Collective noun. Army is what? Collective noun. etc. Now our next topic, our next is material noun. A noun is the name of a substance or an ingredient of an alloy, as gold, silver, diamond, plastic, iron, etc. So these are what? These are our material noun. Now next is abstract noun. In abstract noun we see a noun is the name of some quality, feeling or an idea that we can't see or touch but only think or feel. So in abstract noun we can't touch, nor we can't touch nor we can see, only what we can only feel. So a noun is the name of some quality, feeling or an idea that we can't see, that neither we see nor touch but only we think or feel, as joy, anger, magic, curiosity, mercy. These are what? These are our abstract noun. Okay, thank you.